Hello friends, Azure is one of the major area in terms of data engineering space today. Knowing Azure data engineering services will help you lot of better opportunities to grab. Most of the organizations are moving towards Azure technology today as far as data engineering is concerned. So if you are a data engineering aspirant, I think these three technologies that I am going to share with you will be the key enabler for your job search process. So let me share one by one. Azure Data Factory is one of the number one integrations and data engineering tool today in the job market. It helps to build complete integration pipelines. It helps to transform your data from different source systems and bring into a centralized Azure data lakes. So Azure Data Factory is basically integration tools, extract transformation load tools. It helps to schedule your jobs. It helps to create a pipeline. It helps to monitor your pipeline and debug your pipeline as well. It has a serverless solutions. It is able to integrate with many other Azure ecosystems like Azure Data Lake, Azure SQL databases, Azure Active Directory, and so on and so forth. So integration capability with across Azure different components along with connecting with external systems makes that Azure Data Factory one of the most prominent tools as far as data engineering is concerned. So if you can learn about Azure Data Factory, that will be one step ahead for you as per your job search process. Second, Azure Databricks, highly scalable, a complete Spark-based cloud platforms managed by Azure. So Databricks will help you to transform your big data load using your Pythons, Scala, or whatever the script that you are comfortable with to run into that compute environments. So Azure Databricks Notebook, if you are comfortable, that will be very much advantage for your job search process, because it not only help you to write your Python or Scala code and make your data transformation journey very seamless, make your data analysis service very seamless, and many more. I think it is very powerful tool for any programmer like us and you and me, because it gives us the opportunity to do programs rather than using any tools. And using programs, we can do many things, as you know all. So data transformations, data analysis, data explorations, everything can be done using notebook environment that Azure Databricks provides. It also able to connect with different systems like Azure Data Lakes or Azure SQL servers and many more components. At the same time, you can also schedule that Azure Databricks jobs to make sure that you are able to create a seamless pipeline and keep able to monitor in case some failures happens during your jobs. End-to-end, highly scalable, highly computing environment, because it is a multi-cluster environment as a Spark environment that I talked about. So highly scalable, highly secure, highly computing environment as far as big data and normal data engineering tech space as well. So one is Azure Data Factory, another is Azure Databricks. If you know these two technology, you are also a better positions. Third, which is not at all less important, Azure Data Lake. It is highly scalable, secure, file storage or object storage. It has gives the opportunity to secure your data in a proper logical manners. You can proper give the access control to each different users based on their access permissions that required. And it has the capacity to scale the data as the volume grows. It has the capacity to integrate with Azure Data Factory, capacity to integrate with Azure Databricks and many other data engineering component or SaaS or PaaS services into Azure ecospace. All in all, Azure Data Lake is one of the most vibrant solutions for building an enterprise data lake solution today. Everybody is adopting this. So if you know these three technologies, I think you are very good position to get the jobs. Nothing is late, as I said earlier also. Start doing some certification in Azure Databricks. Start doing certification in Azure Data Factory and become more and more confident. If you produce your certifications, if you start showing some of the projects around these technologies, your resume will be shortlisted definitely. So learn sooner and start taking the opportunity that is available in job market today using Azure Databricks components. So all in all, with this note, Thank you so much. Looking forward to connect again with the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.